had it, so I think it would be fun for us to do it. So let's jump right in. One moment, guys. My mic is being crazy. Let me just fix it. There, and now I just have to do another thing. No, stay where I want. Okay, there we go, guys. Close, and here's our world. I love getting rid of the volcano because I like getting rid of the volcano because it's just so annoying. So you need that, and then you need this. And done. Now, looks good with the mountain range. Now, let's just get a village. How about humanity starts like up here in the mountain range? How about like, oh wait. Okay, let's turn on borders. Let's give them two, men and women. Okay, now let's speed things up. Now let's play some zombies as like their first. Actually, yeah. Just one for now. Dun 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 dun. No. Okay, they just went outside the border. Okay, time to put that back into deep ocean. Time to use that one. Swish. Done! Now let's see how they're doing. Still two people. Now we should make like an elf place that has been going on for a while, so they have a couple of people that... Let's turn down my volume to a 20. Okay, there they go, and they're building quick. Okay, let's just give these guys 5 people to expand and stuff. It's taking so... Yeah, they're on 5. Jeez. People... Oh, now... It's hard to move through the mountains. This is where the campfire is, and... Hey, look, they made another place. Okay. Actually, let's turn that off. So... Yes. Different kingdom. No. These are their 2 cities, so now let's just let them. Let's watch. Look at how this one's going. Wow. People still have 4? Gee. People, I thought like you can like look at this. You should probably do another world. Yeah, do another world. Let's do 4x4. There. Now they're going to start on this side, and you might be wondering, where are they going to farm? It's all desert. Here, look. Give a bit of soil. Give them another person because the other person died. And now let's make it rain. There, now you can farm on that. Look at how fast they're building. Now let's... Is it stone 5? Sure. Good. Actually, this one wants to get... Yeah, we should make this an empire. Yeah. No. Guys, I've played this game a lot before. There will be different ones that they have to actually look at this. They're doing pretty good. I think somebody is selling a new. Hey, they just had a little kid. Look at that. That little kid just walking outside on this nice sweet grass. So this world has only been alive for only 14 years or something. 15. Jeez, okay, my time goes fast. And they move so slow. Like in a month they move like 25 feet. But look at this little island nation. Huh? Look! Settler! That's settler! And they're gonna found a new city right over there. Okay, little coastal city. Okay, we should make like a population boom. Pow, 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 pow. 11. Let's bump that up to 20. Now they need a lot of stuff. Now they're gonna send another person to go live here in Lapinson. I wish like they would like build tunnels once they get like past the kingdom age. Like this has been getting heavy. Okay, but look at Lapinson. They're doing. They didn't build farms. Give them berry bushes. Berry bushes. Berry bushes. All berry bushes. All hail berry bushes. Go farm the berry bushes. Ooh. That was close, guys. Okay, guys. I just needed to talk to somebody. Okay, guys, sorry. But look at Lapinson. It's actually a pretty good coastal city. Geez, lots of people are moving from here to here. Let's give them some stone. There. Oh, sorry, I smashed the crops. Hey, look! Another city. Another soon-to-be city. With already 2 people. These 2 are gonna meet anytime, like over there or over here. Hey, they already found stone. There, I bet they're gonna make that. Give them. If you hear like a ah, that's my little brother. Just look, Look, they're building so quickly. But lots of people are moving down to, whoa, that's big. Okay. Okay, guys, look at how many kids there are in Lapinson. The town only has 1 lonely person. Let's get another person. Cool. Wonder what language they speak in Roblox. Hey, look, a lot of people are moving. Look at Lapinson, one of the biggest cities. Geez, people just upgrade already. Maybe we need to get you some woods. I'm gonna expand and make it a forest. Yeah, that's good, right? Now it's time to water it. Geez, wow, they needed that. And then we got to plant a lot of seeds. Like a lot. Look at that. Look at this. Look at whoa. Hey, look, they got a mine. Now they can get infinity stone. Infinity stones. Get them today. Look at Lapinson. This is cool because it, like, represents real life. Because, like, the capital is not always the biggest city. Because, Washington, D.C. and the United States of America isn't the biggest city. in the United States of America. Well, it's kind of like that, but geez. People need to build farms. Build some farms there. Look. Well, there's a lot of fog. Maybe that's because they're going to industrialize or something. Oh well. Look at how many people live in Lapinzen. Let's get some more people, like 20. Let's get them 21. Let's get... Hey, look, they got a castle. Now people are gonna start getting in and stuff. And I've seen that, like, in the Stone Age, like, when they start building castles and medieval age and stuff, they tend to get more packed. So I'm gonna see how much. Hey, they just had another kid. Okay. Hey, more people are moving. Wait, is that somebody going to west? Jeez, okay, this empire is expanding. Nice. I'm gonna make a little tiny bridge. Like, Ba-da-ba-da-ba-boo-boo. Boom. Okay, it's time for shadows. I think that's the Empress that we just saw. Or the Emperor? Look at how big Lapinson is. See, I told you they would meet soon. Look at how busy city life is. Like, here's downtown, and then, like, over here are, like, the suburbs and stuff. But let's add it to make it 100. I need to get the auto clicker. One moment, guys. Let me get the auto clicker on. There. Downloads. There. Now we'll close that. Let's do this. Now we just got to start it. Look at that. Look at how fast the population is going up. Yeah, this is gonna be busy. Oh, got an idea. Let's add it over here. Oh, okay, let's turn that off and go back. Look at how many people are there. Good idea. Let's populate. Okay, let's turn it back on here. Well, that will do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.